God created bats that whisper, lizards that run on water, and crocodiles with the most powerful bite known to man. Amazing animal abilities fascinate kids of all ages. Hi, I'm Nathan with Kids Enjoying Jesus, and I want to show you how to use some amazing animal actions to teach memory verses and enjoy Jesus with kids. The first thing you need is some mind-blowing animal actions. You can Google these yourself, or you can use the ones I've already put together for you. Cool stuff like this. Sloths move so slowly that plants can grow on them. Spinner dolphins can leap from the water and spin around up to 7 times in the air. Flamingos can stand on 1 foot even when they're asleep. In researching for this game, I also discovered that flamingos can stand on 1 foot even after they're dead if you prop them up. So go figure. You can download these action cards for free on our research page at kidsenjoyingjesus.com. All you have to do is click the download button, print the cards, and you're ready to go. You can also find written instructions for this activity and many others on our blog, so be sure to check that out too. You can follow the instructions, do your own research, and make your own cards. Or you can download and print these, whatever floats your boat. Once you've got your cards with amazing animal actions ready, put them face down on a table and you're ready to start teaching. This game is a fun way to help kids learn pretty much any memory verse, but I especially like to use it with verses about God the Creator. This way the game is actually helping the kids think about the meaning of the verse they're actually learning. You can get started with the verse by just letting them pick 1 card to turn over. Then after they read the amazing animal ability, say something like, each of the rest of these cards also has a cool animal fact on the back of it. Only God has the wisdom and power to make animals with such incredible abilities, and we're going to learn some more amazing animal abilities while we learn a verse about God, our Creator. After you've taught the verse, play the game by letting the kids take turns flipping cards over, reading the animal action on the card, and then everyone, including you, does the action while saying the verse together. For instance, if someone chooses the card about frogs that freeze, strike a silly frozen frog pose and say the verse together. Just a tip, I googled what they look like when they freeze, and it's something like this. So there you have that for what it's worth. If someone flips over the card about pistol shrimp that clap their claws shut super fast to shoot out deadly bubbles, everyone claps their hands super fast while saying the verse. You could even have them clap like a shrimp, or how a shrimp would clap if a shrimp could clap. Repetition is essential to learning, and games make it way more fun. Be sure to play along. You wouldn't want to pass up an opportunity to freeze like a North American wood frog, would you? In between each round, point the kids back to Jesus by saying things like, Jesus made this incredible animal out of nothing. He wants you to enjoy mind-blowing stuff like this to help you realize how enormously wise and powerful He is. That's how it works. You're ready to play. If you want to, you can even take this teaching further by using this game to teach the verse and then building a fort or playing with blocks or making animals with Play-Doh while you talk about God's incredible creation. Let the kids design stuff while you discuss the attributes of the ultimate designer. You can even use the magic of modern technology to show them videos or pictures of the amazing animals from this game. Our YouTube channel has a playlist of short videos from the web that highlight some of these animals and the remarkable abilities that God gave them. Just click the link in the description below to find those videos. And speaking of clicking, did you know dolphins make a clicking sound to communicate with each other and navigate through their watery world? Dolphins click, and you can too, by clicking the subscribe button and clicking the like button and clicking the share button. Good ideas, right? So click away.